Who is it?
Daryl with Blue Dot. Hey, Ms. Holloman, how are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Doing great. Just want to say congratulations. You are our winner with the ARS Cares program.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. High five.
Oh, wow.
High five.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Give me a hug. Hallelujah.
Yeah, we're going to be putting in a whole new system for you.
Yeah.
It's going to be a whole new HVAC, AC unit,
Right.
whole 9 yards. So.
That is so wonderful. That is, that's just heaven sent.
Yes, ma'am.
I've been here for like 21 years, and my sister's been here longer than I have, so
Okay.
I'm quite sure it's time for a new one.
That's it. We're going to take good care of you today.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. You're welcome. The guys should be on their way, and they're going to get started as soon as they get here, so we're going to take good care of you.
Yeah, well, then it's nice here because it's cold out there today, so that's going to be just fine.
All right,
All right, then thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
All right.
Today is a part of the ARS Cares program where we actually give away a free HVAC system, a full system, furnace, AC unit, all the electrical, everything that comes with it. I believe this year they had 2 winners instead of just one. And both stories were just so dramatic that I guess they just felt the need to take care of both families instead of just one.
Well, 2012, my firstborn child, my one and only son, was shot, killed in my house, in my face by Baltimore City Police Department. And I've been in court for like 11 years. And I think with him feeling, with something like that, because he was like killed like right over there. And by me have to live here and have to live in it every day, he would have been 31. Well, he was 31. By being like 11 years ago, he would be 42 now.
We are just so happy to be here today working with Marcella Holloman on an ARS Cares project. Ms. Holloman has had some tragedy in her life. Her son was shot to death inside her home, and she has been suffering from post-traumatic syndrome since. We got to know Ms. Holloman. We realized that she didn't have heat, didn't have AC.
I've been living here since 2002. And my sister been here when I moved here, and the house was built in 1951. Central Air been out for years. My daughter had found this grant online where the city could give you $10,000 it's towards your house. I did all the paperwork.
Apparently that grant money had run out for the year, and instead of making her wait through a very cold winter, Blue Dot stepped up and ARS stepped up to take care of Marcy and to meet her needs.
And this is a real blessing to be able to get a whole new system, considering that I'm disabled and on a fixed income. There's no way where I would have been able to ever have one put in. And I want to have everything done so when I go, my grandkids don't have to do nothing.
Feels good, man. I mean, it's always good to be in a position to help people, give back. And I mean, we got so many people that we see on a daily basis, and you want to be able to help everyone. But just be able to do something like this is real special, especially this time of the year for the holidays. And it's cold. It's about to get cold. So we just do our best to give back to the community.
I just feel great pride that I work for a company that cares enough about the community and goes to extra efforts to give back.
What I have to go through every day mentally is enough. And then I have to live here, but knowing I can turn my air on, turn my heat on, that's a good thing. This is just a heaven sent, so, I'm just overwhelmed.